Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm so happy to have y'all here today. Today, we're going to see what's new at the Dollar Tree for our weekly walkthrough. This is to see what is new and what has been restocked. We're located in the DFW area, and I went to 3 different stores this week and combined all the pictures into one video. So let's see what's new in apparel and accessories. We have their novelty socks. Each week they get a new pair. This week they had the Gremlins. There's 2 different pairs that you can purchase. They fit shoe size 9 to 13. They also had 6 different pairs of these Star Trek socks. We have the red, the blue, and the yellow. Or they have the ones that say Star Trek, the ships, and the hand symbol. Then there were these crossbody bags. There's this burgundy one with the flowers on them in a lighter pink color. They also had the cheetah print. Has a little bit of light brown and pink on it. The geometric pattern in the white and black. Also some floral patterns with the pink strap and pink zipper. This is just pure burgundy red with the zipper and the strap. And then this one here has the butterflies with the pale yellow. They also had a very light pale green in the solid color, the blue and white tie-dye. They had the solid black. And then last but not least, they had the white with the black dots. And those were all the crossbody bags. Over in the arts and crafts this week, they've restocked the Crafter Square Sherpa material. This is 12 by 24 inches. They had them in pink, dark navy blue. There was like an off-white, but those were sold out already. The tube confetti's been restocked. And the Just Premier yarn called Teddy, which is like that fluffy style yarn that has the little fluffies that come off of the piece of yarn. They had those in several different colors. You can get it in blue, white, they had hot pink, and also in black. Then they restocked their crafters beads. There's the all natural, the darker brown. There's also the white and the black painted beads. Then we found the stretch lace. You get 4 pieces. There's 5 yards each. They also had some natural colored looking stretch lace. And then we have the Crayola Model Magic all restocked in blue, red, and yellow. The DIY ornaments, these are about an inch thick. They get these throughout the year. It's been a while since they've been restocked, but they have been putting these out more as we get closer to Christmas. So they have the plaque. There's a heart, a star, a circle, and a cross. These all have the hole drilled into the top already with the twine hanger. Then for the baby and toddler section, we have the Bluey Wackadoodle Watermelon Scented Bubble Bath. It's a 3 fluid ounce bottle. There's also the Bluey Color Twist Bath Bombs. There's the blue and yellow and the pink and yellow. I also found some Baby Love Personal Care top to bottom body wash and the bubble bath that is Disney Princess, Lilo and Stitch, and Spider-Man. Over in health and beauty, we'll first start with the cosmetic style items first. They have these decorative makeup brush holders. They are a metal gold cup for your makeup brushes, quite heavy, and just $1.25. I found a whole shelf of them. They'd make great stocking stuffers. These compact mirrors are double-sided. They come in pink, light blue, and light purple. Also, some new lip oils today. We have 6 different scents. There was the strawberry, peach, and lemon, watermelon, blue raspberry, and grape. I found these Serene fragranced body oils. You get 3 tubes. Has the roller ball at the top with the different fragrance, and it has like a little bit of like glitter kind of sequence in the tube as well. For hair care, we have these new gold bobby pins with the pearls and rhinestones. Also, the 8-piece Gimme Fine Hair Claw Clips. These are the small claw clips. You get 2 of each color, or you can get the extra large for the fuller head of hair. We've also got the microfiber hair wraps. These are kind of like one of those gift ideas for Christmas. Comes in a box set where they have them all sold separately and wrapped individually. There's the pink and purple. There's the towel scrunchie to match. And then the pharmacy and personal care section, we have the Be Pure Eucalyptus Shower Fizzers, also in the great gift box ideas. You get the 2 eucalyptus or the 2 cranberry and pine shower fizzers. To go with the spa luxury hand and foot masks. They also have the body butter, which we've seen over the last few weeks. There's the mineral salts in the same 3 scents and the bubble bath. And then this week, to go with that scent, I also found the body wash. They do have it in all 3 scents, but the vanilla was already sold out. The Lucky Super Soft Foot Cream for extra dry heels helps soften and cracked and dry feet. There's the Epsom Salt Foot Gel, also restocked. It says it cools and comforts, and it is a soaking alternative. Then I found these Vivitar Simply Beautiful facial rollers. It has a bunch of tiny little needles that you roll on your face for skincare. They also have these ice rollers now that go with these, like the towel scrunchies and the head wraps that we saw earlier. For the fun finds, there's the Squishy Tastic stretched band. There's the solid. Some of them have the little spikies on them, and they come in a 2-pack for the $1.25. These are a sensory style toy. You can see you get the smooth and the bumpy in a pack. They also had these new Sushi Time chopsticks. You get 2 pair. This one was just called Sushi Time. It has the little sushi pictures on the top. Really cute. They're hanging on a plastic strip down most of the aisles. I also found the bamboo chopsticks in the ninja theme. It's red with the little ninjas on it. It's so cute. And again, you get 2 pair, or you can get the boba or the mushroom. They look kind of like Mario Brothers mushroom. And then, of course, there's the boba tea on the others. For the home decor, I found more of these glass jars with the glass stopper at the top that comes in several different colors. There's the kind of like an orangish amber color. There's white, black, and a tan. Then they had these glass jars restocked. They have the gold leaf tied to the top, and I found these large photo frames by Special Moments. It's actually a framed mirror with the gold frame around the outside edge, and here is what the design looks like on the frame. For the home office supplies and teaching tree section, they're putting out their 2025 calendars. They have the ones that have the notes at the bottom, and if you notice, these aren't all $1.25. These are actually $1.50 now, but they have the 2 list pads at the bottom with the coordinating calendar at the top. You can hang or set these on your desk. They have a quite about 4 or 5 different designs for the pages, and of course the notes at the bottom coordinate with the calendar at the top. There were a bunch of different planners also. These are like the planner books with the plastic cover, and it has the monthly calendar, has little places for notes and different information in the back, and it is just the 12-month planner. Here's what the calendar looks like. It has the spot for notes over at the side, and we've got the $1.25 pocket planners. Then I found these really fun stickers. There were 2 different sets that you could get, and that's how thick they are from the side. I hope it gives you a good view. They're filled with water and sequins. They have the bloom. There's some tennis shoes, pizza, a phone. There's a camera, a diamond, some sunshine, rainbows, roller skates, flowers, and the word hello on this pack. Then we've got the disco ball with the cowgirl hat. There's horseshoes, cowgirl boots, some stars, and one that says yee-haw. And then there's a flower and another cowgirl boot. And then the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization. Lots of these organizational bins for your closet essentials. They also had the collapsible storage containers in 3 different colors that were 2-toned. Has a light gray at the top. This one has the darker gray at the bottom. And then this one here has the light gray at the top and the sage green at the bottom with the green handle. There's this one. It comes in 3 different colors, the mauve, green, and gray. And then there were the blue and white. Also the light tan with the leaves on it. There's the Home Bright all-purpose cleaner and glass and window cleaner, which was new. These are the citrus mist scent. And the Home Bright coffee espresso machine cleaner. And then there's the descaling cleaner solution. Also in the kitchen and pantry section, some new coffee mugs. We have the gray and blue. The gray coffee mugs have either the stripe or the little dots on them, and you can get them in both colors. They also had some new water bottles for the little ones. They have a twist on top, They had these jars restocked with the metal lids, also the air fryer parchment paper. Those have all been restocked, as well as the slow cooker liners. You get 3 of those for the large crock pot, and there are also these microwave steam bags. You get 6 bags in a medium size for the $1.25. For the pet care this week, they had some new toys. It has a squeaker on the inside, some really cute ones out. They actually have a rope attached at the bottom. So there were 3 different ones that I found. There was the dinosaur, the flamingo, and the duck. And then for the seasonal items, there won't be a whole lot new here because I did a whole Christmas video last week, which I encourage you to go watch. It's over an hour long. But I did find more of these cloth placemats with the plaid. There was the red, the green, or the red, white, and green. Also the holly berry, all restocked at all the stores. I know they sold out pretty quickly around here, so it was nice to see that they had restocked them. I also found some more of these pot holders with the snowflakes on them and more of the tongs with the gingerbread men. This has been the only one I found. I don't know if there's more, but so far all the stores I've been to only have the gingerbread man. Then for the toys and games, we have the sugar smushy jumbo ball, slow rise. It's almost filled with like a weird like wet sugar or sand. Kind of fun to play with. They also have the Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse cars. You pull them back and then let them go, and they drive themselves. There's a 6-in-1 scratch activity set, comes with the stylus already included. There's some games, some picture reveals and mazes, also some different like tic-tac-toe games and stuff like that. The Play-Doh putty, they have that all restocked, which I usually put out around Christmas time for stocking stuffers. There's the teal, which is called Sea Foam. The pink was called Daydreamer. They also have the purple putty called Amethyst, and then the dark blue, which is the Cosmic Blue, and it says it never dries out. For the Dollar Tree Plus section, I did find some new Christmas items this week. They have these 14-inch light up characters. I love the gingerbread man. I think he's my favorite. You do need to get some AAA batteries, and they are $5 each. They're 14 inches and they light up. So they have the snowman and gingerbread man, Santa, and a penguin. I also found these tapestry runners for the center of the table. They're 13 by 70 inches. They're $5 each. They have the gray with the holly that runs down through the center, or you can get this one with the poinsettias around the outside border, the white and red one with the snowflakes. This one says joy on both ends of the table, and then the red truck is also the picture at the end of the table. These extra large, huge jumbo ornaments are $5 each. I found them in gold, red, silver, blue, and pink. And then they had more toys out this week for the little ones for about the $5 price point, which is a really great buy. They had these little characters in a purse. If you squeeze the button, some of them make noise, and it says press on or off. There's a little button there in the front, so if it's playing and you don't want to hear it, you can push it and it'll turn it off. It doesn't play continuously. These little dolls and the carriers were so cute. They had a couple of them in different outfits and different carriers, so I think they were like different pajamas and headbands. Then I found the 3D Magic panel. It's kind of like a light bright. It comes with a light panel, 270 pegs, and 7 templates. And it just says select a template and create your own picture. Also, these extra large teddy bears, there are 3 of them. These also would make a great stocking stuffer. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Don't forget, we have that Christmas video that posted last week, and it has over an hour worth of all of the items I found so far this year for Christmas 2024 at the Dollar Tree. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.